Bwana na yuwa mtotikare boigo asa mangana rengete semi umuroberio CBC ni wagendrete kubwatanse asa baroki wa boigo wagendrete kuikirana asi chiskuru omulikito Josephat Amisi asentunde yeni ko bigago tumanya igoro yo muroberio CBC magaja bibuli kuikirana na boroki wa kuikirana asi chiskuru orowotiuro asenchira iyo boime magigayo mutimuko omutambi wetania emetinyebere bono nigo abana ba grade 7 banyarako bakwirana ase chiskuru cyabo anene gochaka omwako muya bwa masomo ase umuroberio omuya bwe chisemi CBC.
Tunafurahia sana siku ya leo kupokea wanafunzi wa grade ya 7. Tunakaribisha wanafunzi wengine ambao kwa nyumbani. Leo hii tumepokea wanafunzi 47 ambao tulikuwa na hao grade ya 6 wamejiunga nasi. Tunashukuru sana maana mkurugenzi wa shule amejiandaa. Tuna madarasa mawili, tuna mahabara pamoja na chumba ambacho ni cha kompyuta. Tumejipanga kwa hizo sehemu zote na tunatarajia kwamba wanafunzi ambao wako nyumbani nataka kujiunga na sisi tunawakaribisha sana.
Serikali enene gweterase wizara y'ichisemi bono niyo yaganirie chisukuru icho kibwate umuroberio oyo junior secondary kinyarako bachigotwara laboratory library na boigo amagane kati yabo ebirasi bisaine eliokogendereria umuroberio oyo omuyabe chisemi CBC.
Hiyo revo ya junior secondary inahitaji ya kwamba lazima tuwe na laboratories kwa kila shule. Kwa hivyo tutatoa 25% ambaye ni 4,000 kwa wanafunzi kushirikia ujenzi wa laboratory.
Kurengana n'ekisukuru ekyo egatasenikia Ndizi TV kenyarako bagigutarira nigo borokia bateba batemere kuikirania amagani ayo ye serikali anene kubatekana ne wizara y'echisemi.
Now we have prepared fully and everything is ready. The school has got 2 classrooms, 2 streams for junior secondary, that is grade 7. We also have a laboratory which is fully equipped with all the facilities. We have a computer laboratory, a computer lab which is also going to be used by the junior secondary students. All in all, other things are still in the arrangement, but the school is well set. So
bono nigo obotenerwe chiskuru kubatera na baibuli bagenda to bakwenekia ngabanyale ko bakobeka umuroberio bwe uniform enyago kya ase abana bwo ba grade 7
asense mo uniform nes buna ntwe skuru nigo twaite tibuna abana bali ba junior secondary school banyale ko beke uniform erengao nalio monta konyara go tofautisha mbara bali bali junior secondary school.
Yes, according to the Ministry of Education, it was to be that the junior secondary must have a difference. So our junior secondary students are going to have a different uniform such that the boys are going to have a tie, a different sweater and a long trouser. The girls will have a skirt and a blouse.
Abaibuli boigo amana borokia nigo banyareko bagosemewa banyareko ba ange amona abana ba grade 7 elioko baerera igoro yo gutagenda gochia ase secondary kubatekana umuroberio yo CBC ingonyale tokoboko bekwa aso mwakonyale tokobogo goeta.
Then the issue of being security complex within us, I think the fact that it is now a junior secondary, it guarantees them to feel a little bit superior, but it is now the work of the teachers to guide and counsel them and make them feel that it is a school and they should not feel above others.
Bono nigo eke barua eke negativity asa baibuli kweneke ngabanyara ko bakoreta abana babo achiskuru chi linde banyara ko baguchaka amasomo abo. Koripatiri gataseni Ndizi TV kurwa eskuru ya St Francis Menyingwa imeye county ya Kisii eliterane Josephat Amisi.